Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. Oh man, we're using this Weesta. This is an air fryer, it's a toaster oven, it broils, it does a little bit of everything, folks. Did a review of this Tom Horseman at YouTube. I'll leave the link down below. This thing is, I keep coming back to it because of how hot it gets. And today, I got some steak. I found some filets that were on clearance at the supermarket, dirt cheap. And I actually have a cast iron plate in there that I'm getting a cast iron plate, good and preheated, and I'm going to try searing these cast iron seared on this little air fryer, toaster, roaster oven. I'll tell you what, this is going to be interesting. And I'm also using, I tell you what, this burnt pit barbecue stuff, this ground pounder, which is like an SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, got a little sugar in there too. But this stuff is, if you can see it, it actually has, look at, you see the little flakes there? Garlic flakes. And it has, burnt pit barbecue. Check them out. Leave the link down below for that also. So we're gonna get this preheated, and then we're gonna try searing these and see what it does. If you're interested, keep on watching because I know I am. All right, folks. I've taken it off broil, and I've never tried this air roast to see what that would do. Now remember, 450 is what this is set at. So let's just I've got my thermal here. Let's take a look, see at our let's see our cast iron there. There's the red dot. 485. That's pretty impressive. We're going to keep going here because I think we can get close to 500, and that's what I want to sear at. So keep on watching, and I tell you what, this is impressive. 477 on this little air fryer, toaster, roaster oven. That's pretty cool. All right, folks, just put a little butter on our cast iron, and there's our steaks on an air fryer, toaster, roaster oven that we are searing on these cast iron steaks. Pretty cool. All right, folks, 3 minutes searing cast iron in butter. Let's, I don't know how this is gonna go. But let's take a look, see, look at that. Oh yeah, we got a little bit of a sear going on there. Folks, I do this stuff for you. See how it turns out. But in this little toaster, roaster, air fryer oven, so far looking pretty good. All right, 2 more minutes has gone by. Let's let's take a look here. Oh man, a little bit of smoke coming out of there. Look at that. That's looking nice. That is looking. That's looking pretty awesome. Look at that. Holy smokes. Nicely done. Oh, smoke, hang on. So we're going to keep on going just for another minute or so. Give you a look-see once they're plated up. Oh, man. On an air fryer, toaster, roaster oven. I'll tell you what. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. Let's just slice into it. This has been resting for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Look at that. That's the perfect medium rare on an air fryer, toaster, roaster, oven. Is that amazing or what? Holy smokes, folks. Oh man. It's delicious. Ground pound. Burnt pit barbecue, folks. Now, this is, I prefer to do it on a grill, but weekday night, got a deal on meat on the toaster roaster oven from Weesta. Turned out great. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thanks, folks.